Are you facing a divorce? Don't know where to begin? How the process works? Where to get help before you engage an attorney? Or how to protect yourself? My name is VelDean Fincher, and I'm the author of Coming Apart Without Falling Apart, The Layman's Guide to Divorce. I've been in your shoes. For me, it all started with a telephone call on a Sunday afternoon, a telephone call that drastically changed the course of my life, the lives of my children, and eventually touched the lives of many others. For you, it may be something that you've been contemplating for weeks or months or even years. Or divorce may come as a surprise when your spouse initiates the process. In truth, for me, that telephone call began a process that lasted for several years and totally changed my life. Let me share with you a brief glimpse into my background so you understand why I would share my knowledge and my understanding, my expertise with you, and why I am qualified to share this information about divorce. I was married for over 21 years when the divorce began. I had 4 children and a traditional marriage. Although I had a bachelor's degree, I was a stay-at-home mom, a loving wife, and a homemaker. But after those 21 years of living together, my life was drastically altered by that telephone call. During the course of our divorce, which took 3.5 years, I began working for my attorney who specialized in family law. I also went to school to gain the education necessary for me to be able to do the work of a paralegal. Also, under the direct supervision of my attorney, I handled many of the dealings of my own personal divorce. My divorce took me through the courts of 3 superior court judges, a bankruptcy judge, through relationships with both a family law attorney and a bankruptcy attorney. I was in court over 14 times in those 3.5 years, and as a paralegal, I was also involved in many other divorces of clients of my attorney. I've been through that hell of divorce, and truly there were times I had no idea if I would actually survive. But I did survive, and gradually I thrived. I've also learned through that process much that can be of use to you. I've prepared a series of simple videos that help you understand the business end of divorce, even as you or someone you know are going through the emotional upheavals of that process. I hope that you find these video segments useful, whether for you personally or for someone that you know who is contemplating divorce or is suddenly facing divorce themselves. Please visit my website, www.thelaymansguidetodivorce.com. I have a free bonus for you, 2 chapters of my book, Coming Apart Without Falling Apart, The Layman's Guide to Divorce, as well as additional information on the process of divorce.